Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Let's Fix This. In this video we have a bottom freezer. This specific brand is Whirlpool, same as the Maytag Kitchenaid, but it's leaking water down into the freezer. You can see ice sheets down on the bottom, and it's coming from the frozen drain line in the freezer. The easiest way to clear this line is to get a $30 steamer off Amazon. I use a Bissell steam shot. I'll show you a picture of it here in a bit, but this is extremely sped up, but you stick the steamer down in the drain hole there. You don't even have to take the drawer out, the back wall off, and you're just going to blast steam down into there. With the Bissell steam shot, you can tip it upside down and it will shoot boiling water, and that will clear that drain. So there's the steam shot. Once you clear it though, on a lot of these things, you still need to pull the refrigerator out, and there is a little rubber duck bill that can get clogged with all sorts of different stuff in it. So we'll pull that out and check to make sure that that's clear. Some of these have an upgrade kit on them that Whirlpool has come out with. They are specific to model serial numbers. This one I looked up and it does not have the upgrade kit, but we're going to go ahead and check that duck bill. So we've pulled the fridge, took the back cover off, and the duck bill's right up in here. And if you're smart, you'd unplug the fridge. Unlike me, I'm not smart, and there went my finger into the plastic fan blade. It's not the first time I've done that. Won't be the last time. But you can see all that stuff in the duck bill. Go ahead and clean that out, put the duck bill back in, and that will help that drain better in the future. I'm going to replace the back wall, or the compressor cover, reattach the screws, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Really simple, easy fix for those frozen drain lines, as long as you have that steamer. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to our page for weekly videos on how to fix your own appliances. Thanks.